In the heart of Pakistan lies a formidable fortress of defense manufacturing, the Ordnance Factory. Often shrouded in secrecy and intrigue, this remarkable institution has played an instrumental role in shaping Pakistan's military prowess. In the mid-20th century, specifically in the year 1941, the British colonial rulers established the Ordnance Factory. Its primary purpose was to support the Allied forces in World War II. However, following the creation of Pakistan in 1947, the factory took on a new role, to serve as the backbone of the nation's defense industry. In the early years, the factory mainly focused on the production of small arms and ammunition, but as the needs of the Pakistani military evolved, so did the capabilities of the Ordnance Factory. By the 1950s, it had expanded its operations to include the production of heavier artillery, mortars and bombs. However, the factory's true test came in the mid-1960s during the Indo-Pak War. The demand for war materials skyrocketed, and the Ordnance Factory rose to the occasion, increasing its production exponentially. This period marked a significant turning point in the factory's history, demonstrating its ability to meet the nation's defense needs under extreme pressure. In the following decades, the factory continued to diversify its production. By the turn of the 21st century, it had begun manufacturing a wide variety of military vehicles and tanks that are now used by the Pakistan Army. This includes the Al-Khalid and Al-Zahra tanks, both of which are renowned for their firepower, mobility, and protection. Today, the Ordnance Factory stands as a testament to Pakistan's technological advancements and self-reliance in defense production. It has not only provided the Pakistani military with high-quality weapons and equipment, but also contributed significantly to the local economy and job creation. In summary, the Ordnance Factory, established in the early 40s, has been a cornerstone of Pakistan's defense industry. From producing small arms and ammunition to manufacturing advanced tanks and military vehicles, the factory's evolution mirrors the progression of Pakistan's military capabilities. The factory has proven its mettle in times of conflict and stands today as a symbol of Pakistan's resilience and technological prowess. This institution, while often overlooked, plays a crucial role in the nation's defense and is a testament to the determination and ingenuity of the Pakistani people. As we look towards the future, the Ordnance Factory has big plans. The factory is not content to rest on its laurels. It has its sights set on new horizons, with plans to further diversify its production. In addition to its current repertoire of military hardware, they aim to venture into naval and aerospace sectors, exploring cutting-edge technology and innovation. The factory's vision extends beyond its borders. It aspires to become a global leader in defense manufacturing, not just serving Pakistan but also contributing to global peacekeeping efforts. This ambition reflects Pakistan's growing confidence on the international stage and its commitment to contribute positively to global security. Moreover, the factory is committed to pushing the boundaries of technological innovation and excellence. It is investing heavily in research and development, aiming to create state-of-the-art defense technology that can compete with the best in the world. The factory is also focused on sustainability, with plans to introduce environmentally friendly manufacturing processes. In closing, with its ambitious plans and vision, the Ordnance Factory is set to continue its legacy of excellence and innovation. It stands ready to face the challenges of the future, confident in its ability to adapt and evolve. The factory is not just a testament to Pakistan's resilience, but a beacon of its ambition and potential.